Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Crystal Reynoso Makeup on Instagram, so if you haven't already, please be sure to give me a follow. I will have the link down in the description as always. And in today's video, we're just going to be doing a quick tutorial, a little voiceover because I had some technical difficulties. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And I'm just going to apply it on the back of my hand like I always do. So as you can see right here, I'm starting to carve out the shape of my eyebrow. So I'm picking up a buffing brush so the eyeshadow primer could look more seamless. And I'm just pushing it into my skin like so. For today's look, we're going to be using the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright Bossy palette. And I thought these colors were perfect for the season because it's October and they're fall colors. And this palette is just so beautiful. So these eyeshadows are numbered. They have no names, they have numbers. So I'm going in with the number 8 first. So I'm just packing on the number 8 shade here, and I'm packing it on in the shape that I want my eyeshadow to be formed. So I'm just going to be picking up the number 4 eyeshadow. It's like a bright orange, and I'm just going to be repeating this step on top of that first eyeshadow color that I applied. And as always, you guys know the technique is to go back and forth when blending shades. So I'm going back in with the number 8, and then you'll see me flip the brush and go back in with the number 4, and then go back in with the number 8. That's just the best technique that I can use to blend my shades. So now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm still using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I feel that this one is best to cut my crease with. And again, going back in with the shade 8, just applying that to the edge of my eyelid. And then again, going back in with the number 4 and just giving it that seamless blend. Okay, so right here is where I was like, oh my gosh. This shade right here, it's in the shade number 6. It is such a beautiful color. I was like, I gotta use this color. So I went ahead and picked it up on a packing brush, and I'm packing it onto my eyelids. Picking up the ABH Norvina Electric Cake Liner, I'm just going to go ahead and activate it by adding water. And then get started on the detailed eyeliner, like you see right here. Somebody's honking outside. But I decided that I was gonna go ahead and wing it out. I know it kind of didn't really go with the shape of my eyeshadow, but I really thought that it would just make the look pop more if I winged it out. Now it's time to bring my lashes to life, so I'm going in with the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit and just applying that to my lashes. So I went ahead and did my primer, foundation, and all that good stuff off camera because, I mean, it does take a while. So I didn't want this video to be that long. And right here you can see I'm going in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Love Bite. Then to top it off, I'm going in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in True Story. This is literally one of my favorite shades. So I felt like I needed a little bit of black liner, so I picked up my e.l.f. eyeliner and just went ahead and lined my eyeline, and I gave it a wing. Then I'm picking up these bomb ass lashes by Beauty Creations. They are in the style called Off the Record. You guys, if you don't have these lashes, you have to get them. They are so bomb. They're a little long for my liking, but they look so good and I can get used to them. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill, the Flash palette, I'm going to be mixing the shades Sparks and Iced. Woo! Yes, girl. Look at that. I am obsessed with this highlighter. Okay, babes, that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I had to do a voiceover. There was like people trash digging and my stupid computer just keeps making that swoosh sound. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.